across 30 countries in the world, in established and emerging markets. One company makes it easier, more efficient, and more convenient to do business. Metro Cash and Carry, the world leader in business-to-business self-service wholesale. At Metro, we offer business customers the widest range and the highest quality of products at the best possible wholesale prices, all under one roof. Every one of our 700 distribution centers across the world stocks a vast assortment of products, up to 90% of which are sourced fresh locally. So we can cater to the specific needs of our local business customers, offering them exactly what they need, when they need it. A proven international wholesale format, now adapted successfully to the challenging Indian market.
We at Metro firmly believe that modern trade is on the threshold of a great expansion. There is a huge exponential increase in consumer purchasing power. This is accompanied by a huge supply of products from the supplier side. And it is in this context that Metro as a prime wholesale distribution channel would become extremely important in terms of being able to supply the right type of products and categories to the consumers and also help the suppliers by actually having showcased their new categories of products.
Fresh produce, dry and processed foods, electronics, apparel, FMCG, and white goods, office supplies. With over 18,000 articles under one roof, Metro caters to every need of our core business customers. Whether hotels, restaurants and caterers, offices and institutions, or small kiranas, traders and retailers. If your business needs it, Metro can provide it. The efficiency and transparency of the Metro business model allows us to offer customers the lowest wholesale prices on products of the highest quality. We procure directly from farmers and local suppliers, providing them with large and stable markets through our network of distribution centers and supporting them with improved facilities and training, so they get the best possible return on their products directly and without delay.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫಿಶ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Metro Cash and Carry is the only wholesaler in India certified to the stringent international HACCP standards of food safety and quality. From procurement to distribution, our reliable and consistent cold chain ensures freshness and quality from farm to fork, particularly with perishables like meat, fish, dairy, fruits and vegetables. At Metro, we don't just sell products, we also build communities of successful entrepreneurs by helping our customers gain an edge in the competitive retail environment.
10 साल से जो भी मार्केट में वेरिएशंस आ रहे, जो भी नया प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे, वो पूरा मेंटेन करना आजकल में बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. 1 साल पहले मेरे पास में मेट्रो खुल गया और वो लोग आके हमारा शॉप कैसा लगाना, असॉर्टमेंट कैसा करना, पूरा दुकान का नक्शा ही चेंज कर दिए वो लोग. जब से जो मेरा बिजनेस पूरा डेवलप होना चालू करा, अभी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. क्यों बोले तो मेरा भी दुकान एक सुपरमार्केट जैसे ना. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू मेट्रो.
Logistics, infrastructure, technology, personnel, all focused on delivering maximum quality with minimum wastage of goods, time and effort. Our inventory is optimized for fresh stocks every day, so customers need in-store surplus supplies. Our staff is trained to understand the supply and demand cycle, so they can anticipate our customers' every need. Our billing is detailed and transparent, so customers can be assured of accurate records on all their purchases. At every metro, we procure locally, employ locally, train locally, invest locally, because our customers do business locally. Metro Cash and Carry, because helping our customers succeed in their business is our business.